Hey guys, it's Jen and this is beautyriotx, and today we are doing our Battle of the Boxes. Our first box up is Beautyriotx Monthly, which is a Korean beauty box. I love Korean stuff. I just think it's really cute, it's fun, it's quirky. And as usual, I will leave all the information for the boxes that I'm unboxing today in the box below, along with any other important information that you need to know. So this actually, if you've never seen my unboxings before, my Beautyriotx box is always a month behind. So this is actually June's box, which will be versus BoxyCharm's July box, just FYI. Not that it matters, I mean, there's no rules. All right, so it looks like the theme for this month is Deep Detox. That's always fun. First thing I see is a konjac sponge. All right, so this retails for $5.99. If you've never used one of these before, they're awesome. You can really get them anywhere. When it's dry, it's kind of hard. You wet it, it gets soft, and you use it for like a light exfoliation on your face. You can use it just with water, or you can add soap to it. Either way, I love these. I use them every morning, so I will definitely use this. The next is by Pure Derm, and this is the Charcoal Nose Pore Strips. And this retails for $5.99. I've used pore strips from Pure Derm before, and I didn't like them. Like, they didn't do anything. So I might actually just pass these on. All right, so the next is by Urban City. This is the Carbonated Bubble Charcoal Clay Mask. And I'm pretty sure these are the things that bubble up an itch on your face and like deep clean. And this retails for $20. The next is by Farm Stay, and I've gotten actually, this is one of my favorite moisturizers by them. This retails for $11.99. And this foaming cleanser helps control oil and blackheads for a fresh, clean complexion. So it's a face wash. I will absolutely use it. All right, and always fun. Once in a while, you do get like some makeup-y products in here. So this time we got the Vasi Royal Luminant Auto Eyebrow Pencil. This retails for $8.99, and it's an eyebrow pencil. Let's see what color we got. All right, well, it's definitely brown. And what's nice, it's like an ashy brown. That's really nice. And it has kind of the triangular tip on it. I will definitely try this in one of my Korean Get Ready With Me videos. And the last product in here is by Sierra Cosmetic, and this is the Surface Moisture Mask Pack. It comes with 3 different steps. We have step 1, which is moisture, it's a peeling gel. Step 2 is a vitamin ampule, and step 3 is actually a sheet mask. So this is fun. These are kind of things that are cool to like bring on vacation with you, like instead of bringing tons of skincare. And this was a nice box. Not really my favorite, but I definitely got a lot of things that I'll use. I'll probably use everything except these. So that's good. Okay, here comes BoxyCharm. All right, so here is our BoxyCharm for the month of July. All right, and this month's theme is Road Trippin'. All right, I've heard of this brand. This is the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. And actually, it looks like my kind of color. That's a nice orange blush. Okay, I take it back. All right, so this is the Note Luminous Silk Blush Compact, designed for all skin tones, luminous. It's matte, so I don't know what the whole luminous thing is about it, but I don't care because it's fucking orange, and I love orange shit. And this is in the color 05 Desert Rose. All right, and that retails for $11.99. All right, the next thing is from Dr. Brandt, and this is the No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I'm pretty sure it's a full size. This is 0.5 ounces, which is normal for, yes, this is a full size. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes. This retails for $42. I will absolutely use that because the baggage under my eyes is criminal. All right, I've gotten other things from Chella. I don't know how I feel about this. It's an eyebrow brand. This is the Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. This retails for $26. I'm just gonna save my rant. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. What? All right, what am I doing wrong? I just see a brush. It's just a brush. Oh. What? There really should be instructions to this, but... So if I'm looking at this right, the bottom of, like, this comes off and there's eyebrow cream in here. It's pomade. And this is in the color taupe. And I don't know if you can see, but it's this faint little line here. I mean, I guess it might be okay for someone like me who doesn't go crazy with their brows, unless it's like the Kat Von D or anything like that, but I'm thinking this might be a ripoff. $26. The next is, oh, by Wander Beauty. I've always wanted to try more from them. I got the under eye things from them in my Allure beauty box. This is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I kind of like when these come in like tubes. I don't like the shape of that, but I'll definitely try it because, okay, there's no smell. Because I have it and now I'll try it. And that retails for $24. And it's award winning apparently. I never know what they mean when they say it's a glossy mascara. How can mascara be glossy? All right, and it looks like we have a palette in here from Crown Brush, and this is the Fuego eyeshadow collection, and this retails for $29. Hot damn, my kind of palette. I will absolutely use this. It looks very similar to what I'm wearing today. So that's pretty nice, doofy swatches. The metallics are pretty nice. These are a little sheer, so I guess we'll play around with it and see if it's any good. If not, I will just pass it on. No biggie. All right, so that was it. Both boxes were just okay. I think I'll give it to BoxyCharm this month. So congratulations, BoxyCharm, you did it. World's best cup of coffee. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.